Good morning, my friends. This is Sunday morning here at Mocan, and as you can tell, it is a beautiful day. But the wind, I don't know if you can hear it. I'm behind a trailer because the wind is coming from the south. So anyway, day 2 at the Memorial Day race. Can't wait to get this day going. Like I said, yesterday had a fairly good day. Got to the 5th round of Super Pro, and no E. Went out in the 3rd round, that was good. So we're gonna try and improve on the no E and still maintain our Super Pro. So hopefully we can get it in the winner's circle today. So with that, we just got breakfast done. We're gonna go ahead and get the car ready. It's pretty dusty. Get the tires aired up and all that stuff, check things over, make sure we're ready to go, make sure all the cameras are good and charged up. So with that, let's get the day started. See Mr. Rutledge in there. He doesn't know I'm over here. He's trying to figure out what he's going to be doing today. Let's go sneak on him. He's putting his time in the computer. He looks very serious what he's doing. He doesn't know I'm even standing here. I won't bug him, but I'll put it in the video. Well, I'm gonna get some words of encouragement from Mr. Rutledge.
Go get him, go get him.
Go get him, and yourself. Go get him.
Go get him. Right?
Oh my gosh. Oh well.
Say the entry time.
Huh?
Say the entry time.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what you're doing.
Yep.
Okay. Yep.
0 to 60, 63, 30.
That makes sense. I do the same thing.
Yeah.
So I don't put it in a nice little spreadsheet or whatever.
Oh.
Yeah.
I got Mr. Clutchman.
Mr. Gage
coming out.
Yep.
Work on the
Work on the junior.
junior, change the clutch out.
Cool deal. Okay. Might as well get it ready.
We changed oil on it last night.
Did you? Okay. You did all the oil change? No. Oh, okay.
Brought this to the neighbor's house.
Oh, gaming, playing.
Sitting in air conditioning is what he was doing.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that'll work. Oh, cool. Oh, come get you some. Oh, I like that. Cool. Got the car warmed up. John's over there. Little light there. Okay, the race today is a little bit different format. We get 1 round of qualifying, then we go right into elimination. I got both my qualifying runs done. The little bit difference on the split, or on the lanes, I ran at 666 on no E and 668 on Super Pro. So anyway, gonna make, I think we're good. I'm gonna put a 668 on it and no E. Then if I have to make any adjustments for Super Pro, I will. Did red light in Super Pro. I think I'm a little bit quicker on the box today, so I'm going to row 20 in the box and see if I can keep that from red lighting. We'll find out. So basically our first round is almost like a test pass, but hopefully we don't have to buy back. So anyway, so let's go and get started with round 1 elimination. So here we go. Okay, round 1, no E, 668. Got the GTO. Mr. Goss. Okay, round one, Super Pro coming up, 668. So here we go. Put a 670 on it. See how it goes. Guys, lost Super Pro, man. That was 038 to 008. Yeah, short end stick. Car slowed down 671, which I thought it was in Super Pro. It usually does. So I might just keep the same dial I had in for Super Pro, compare that no E. I think we're running 69 and no E, so we'll see how that goes. Anyway, here we go. Round 3 is coming up. Okay guys, this is round 3, no E, 669 on the dial. We'll see how we do. Just need to cut a good tree, and if the car does the job and I do a job, we'll go ahead and go to the next round. So here we go. Guys, guess it wasn't meant to be. Got a yellow one and no E, 008 red, and guess what? This is against Walker. This is my 4th race against him this weekend. Won the last 3 times. Brian, sorry, but anyway, no, you're a damn good racer. I do appreciate it. I just got lucky some of those races against you, but man, hope you go ahead and take it on to the final. So with that, man, we're done for the weekend here at Mocan. What can I say? Had a great time out here. Now got about a 2-hour drive home, and the wind is howling from the south. Anyway, man. Anyway, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and please like and share this video. I sure do appreciate it. Till next race.